Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to this troubleshooting presentation on DTC P0069, which refers to a barometric pressure (baro) sensor circuit range or performance problem in the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. The baro sensor is an essential component integrated into the powertrain control module, PCM, responsible for monitoring atmospheric pressure. When the throttle is wide open, the baro sensor's reading should closely match that of the manifold absolute pressure (MAP) sensor. If there is a significant difference between the two readings, particularly when the throttle position exceeds preset limits, the PCM identifies a malfunction and assigns this diagnostic trouble code. This presentation will cover the error description, likely causes, symptoms, and detailed troubleshooting steps to effectively diagnose and resolve issues related to this DTC. The error identified by DTC P0069 indicates a problem with the barometric pressure (baro) sensor located within the powertrain control module (PCM) of the Honda Accord. This sensor plays a crucial role in engine performance by continuously monitoring the atmospheric pressure surrounding the vehicle. It essentially provides a measure of how much air is available for combustion within the engine. When the throttle is fully opened, the readings from the baro sensor should align closely with the MAP sensor's readings. If a discrepancy arises, typically a difference of 26 kilopascals or greater, sustained for at least 2.5 seconds, the PCM flags this as a malfunction, illuminating the malfunction indicator light, MIL, on the dashboard. This disruption affects engine efficiency and performance as the vehicle struggles to adjust to varying atmospheric conditions. The primary causes associated with DTC P0069 include a baro sensor failure and a clogged air cleaner element. A failure in the baro sensor can result in incorrect readings, leading the PCM to trigger a malfunction notification. This could be due to internal damage, electrical issues, or a disconnection in the sensor circuitry. On the other hand, a clogged air cleaner element restricts airflow, causing variations in pressure measurements that could trigger erroneous readings from both the baro and MAP sensors. This underscores the importance of maintaining a clean air intake system that allows the engine to function optimally. Addressing these issues early can prevent more significant engine-related problems down the road. Symptoms associated with DTC P0069 often present themselves during regular vehicle operation. One of the most conspicuous indications is the illumination of the malfunction indicator light, MIL, on the dashboard. This warning light serves as a prompt for the vehicle owner, signaling the need for immediate attention. Affected performance may include poor engine responsiveness, irregular idling, and stalling due to fluctuations in pressure management within the intake system. Drivers may also notice a decrease in fuel efficiency as the engine mismanages fuel-air mixtures. It's important to be vigilant for these symptoms, as they can greatly diminish overall drivability and comfort in the vehicle. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0069 is to start the engine and hold the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without any load on the vehicle. This means that if you have an automatic transmission, AT, shift the vehicle into P or N, while for a manual transmission, MT, place the vehicle in neutral. You will need to maintain this RPM until the radiator fan engages, which is an important signal indicating that the cooling system is effectively operational. Once the fan has turned on, allow the engine to idle. This step is crucial because it helps to get a baseline reading of the engine's behavior and ensures that the system is ready for further diagnosis. If any anomalies occur during this process, take note, as they may provide pivotal information regarding potential issues within the baro sensor or related components. In this second step of the troubleshooting procedure, you will need to drive the vehicle under specific enabling conditions. These conditions relate to throttle position, so ensure that the throttle position is above 15.7 degrees at an engine speed of 1,000 RPM, or above 31.0 degrees at 3,000 RPM. Maintain this driving condition for at least 2.5 seconds. It's vital to carry out this step while adhering to traffic regulations and ensuring that ambient conditions are safe for driving. Monitoring the throttle position is essential, as it directly correlates to the performance of both the baro and map sensors. Should the readings from these sensors diverge beyond the specified threshold during this test, DTC P0069 will be confirmed, and further diagnostics will be necessary. After addressing any identified faults related to DTC P0069, conducting a final repair verification is mandatory. Begin by ensuring that the malfunction indicator light, MIL, is no longer illuminated following the repairs. This indicates that the trouble code has been properly resolved. Next, perform a test drive of the vehicle under typical driving conditions to observe its performance. Focus on the responsiveness of the engine and whether it operates smoothly without any irregularities. If the issue appears resolved, you may also want to double-check the diagnostic data to confirm there are no lingering or new codes present. This will ensure that the repairs have effectively restored the system to optimal performance levels. Preventive maintenance is crucial for avoiding future occurrences of issues related to DTC P0069. One of the most effective measures is to regularly check and replace the air filter in your vehicle. A clean air cleaner element ensures that the engine receives the appropriate amount of air needed for optimal performance. Additionally, maintaining cleanliness of other engine components, such as the throttle body and intake manifold, helps reduce the likelihood of developing airflow restrictions that can lead to sensor malfunctions. Lastly, using quality fuels that meet manufacturer specifications will help maintain engine efficiency and longevity. By following these practices, you can significantly enhance the performance and reliability of your Honda Accord. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0069, which pertains to the Barometric Pressure Sensor circuit range or performance problem, is fundamental for Honda Accord 2012 to 2017 owners. The baro sensor is integral to the proper functioning of the vehicle's engine management system. By accurately diagnosing the problem and addressing potential causes such as sensor failure or air filter blockage, vehicle operability can be restored. Moreover, performing regular maintenance and verification checks can greatly reduce the risk of recurring issues. Remember, thorough diagnostics are essential to ensuring that the vehicle maintains its performance standards and emissions compliance. Employing the diagnosis steps covered in this presentation will guide you in troubleshooting with confidence and achieving successful repairs. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.